Ever pull up to Chick-fil-A, see the combo price, and think, whoa, didn't that cost less yesterday? Same nuggets, same fries, but suddenly you're ditching the drink to stay on budget. That sneaky price hike is inflation, and it's silently draining your wallet every single day. Stick around, and in 5 minutes you'll learn exactly why it's happening, what's really causing it, and 3 simple ways to keep your cash from shrinking. Part 1. What is inflation? Inflation means the prices of goods and services are rising over time. That boba tea you buy for $5.50 today might cost $5.85 next year. You're not getting more, it just costs more. Inflation is measured as a percentage. If inflation is at 5%, that means prices are, on average, 5% higher than they were last year. The big problem? When your income stays the same but prices rise, your purchasing power drops. Each dollar now buys less than it used to. Part 2. What causes inflation? So, what causes inflation? There are 3 main reasons. First, demand pull inflation. This happens when a lot of people want to buy goods. Supply can't keep up with demand. High demand pushes prices up. Second, cost push inflation. This is when it costs more to make products. Maybe fuel prices rise, or raw materials get more expensive. Companies raise prices to cover those costs. Third, more money in the system. When governments print more money, people may have extra cash to spend. But with the same amount of goods available, those additional dollars compete for limited items and push prices higher. Part 3. How inflation hits your life. Inflation affects your life in many ways. Groceries cost more. The $100 that used to fill your cart now only covers about 2/3 of the items, so a few essentials stay on the shelf. Gas prices go up, and that raises delivery and transportation costs, which makes everything else more expensive too. Rent and mortgage payments rise. You might have to move or downsize. Utility bills get higher, even if your usage doesn't change. And if your job doesn't give you a raise to keep up with inflation, you're effectively earning less. Shrinking fund. You might cut back on outings or subscriptions. Vacation and trips might be postponed or canceled. Future goals on hold. Long-term financial goals like saving for college or business, they can get pushed back or seem out of reach, and the stress builds. Financial pressure can affect mental health, relationships, and the emotional well-being of the entire household. Part 4. 3 inflation strategies. Now, how can you shield yourself from this? Let's look at 2 common situations. If you have some money saved, one of the least effective ways to protect your savings is to simply leave it in a regular savings account. Why? Because even if your bank offers a small interest rate, it's likely lower than the average inflation rate. Plus, you'll usually pay taxes on that interest. Instead, consider investing in the stock market. If you're new to this, start small. A good option to consider is an S&P 500 index fund. The S&P 500 is a collection of 500 of the largest US companies, and historically it has provided an average annual return of around 10%. With an average US inflation of about 2% per year, this can help you protect your money and potentially earn extra. If you don't have much money saved, if you don't have a lot of savings right now, here's what to focus on. Know where your money goes. Start by writing down everything you spend. This helps you see where your money is going. Cut back on spending. Find things you can spend less money on. Even small things add up. Maybe it's buying a generic brand instead of the brand name. And the best thing to do in both situations is to look for ways to boost your income. This could mean asking for a raise, finding a side hustle, or developing new income streams. Increasing your income can help you maintain your current lifestyle without feeling the pinch of rising prices as much. So we can say, inflation isn't just a headline. It's something that shows up in your daily life, in every bill, every purchase, every plan for the future. But the more you understand it, the better prepared you are to protect yourself and your family. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment to share your thoughts, and hit that subscribe button for more simple, real-life financial tips.